Hello there, you've made it. This is the last chapter, chapter number 20. You've went through the entire series of videos, maybe through entire book. I don't know if you've been reading all the chapters because that's why I created this video, so you can just quickly get the introduction and decide if you want to read it in the book. The videos, they're not necessary, but I know a lot of people, they like videos. They like videos, not all of them. I like the books. That's why I write books, but I know other people like videos. That's why I created Node University. I publish videos there for people who like video courses. But hey, the book is, I like the book. I like the books myself personally because I like reading. Let's talk about this last chapter. You did a great job so far. The last chapter uses pretty much all the concepts which you've learned through the book, the stage, the composition of components, the properties, the testing, the backend. We have the RESTful API. So the project is called Autocomplete. I also have a little bit of the backend. I have Express, I have MongoDB. If you want to learn more on that, go and check Node University. I have Express Foundation course. I have Node and NPM and MongoDB Foundation courses. They're free. Just go and put your email, come up with a password. I don't care. You can come up with a fake email. I don't care. Just go and read and watch those videos, those free courses. This is the end of this series of videos. The book has been a good learning exercise for me. I wasn't an expert in React before I started writing this book. I became one, and since then I taught many workshops, probably 30 workshops on React at a bunch of companies such as Cisco, Walmart Labs, Capital One, Starbucks, Intuit, and other companies. And I grew to love React even more than in the beginning. The more I use React, the more I love it. I think it's a great technology. I'm sure it transformed the whole way how people do front-end development. I'm so bullish in it. I'm so excited about React. I'm so happy that React exists. Maybe we would see better ways in a few years how to do the web development, but as of right now, as of 2018, React is this thing. It's the thing, it's the best, the one and the only proper way to do things. And believe me, I've been doing software engineering for 15 years, and everything is good. If you have the book, if you read the book, I'm sure you've become more experienced with Node.js. It's nice to have the book as the reference. You have appendices, which are like cheat sheets. If you have the print version, which is really nicely done, you have this cheat sheets in the front, React cheat sheet. You can always keep it handy. Also, same thing at the back. You have lots of quizzes. You have the source code on GitHub. What I also like about Manning books and the way they do the code annotation, you see, a lot of code has this white space on the right side. But Manning uses it for the annotation, for the comments, which is really nice. It took me a lot of work to do them. I wasn't happy when I did them, but now I see, wow, this is really great. So just the great work done by the Manning team. Great many thanks to their team, their designers. It's a piece of art, not because I wrote it, but it's a piece of art what they did. I gave them Markdown, which it was just Markdown. It was just Markdown that I had on GitHub, but they did a really great, really beautiful job. And 528 pages. You can fight with this book. It's a pretty heavy book. I don't recommend fighting it, but you can do that definitely. And the print book comes with the ebook as well. Ebooks are more convenient. I like ebooks personally, but this is a beautiful piece of art. It has lots of appendices about installations, React, Express, MongoDB, ES6. And the problem that Now you finish the book, how to continue your education, how to stay engaged, how to stay motivated, how to find mentorship, coaching, where to ask questions, how to not stay lonely, how to prepare for job interviews if you want to get a job which uses React, because maybe you cannot use React at your current job. I totally understand it. There are a lot of companies, they haven't heard about React. So it's frustrating, right? It's very frustrating. You learn something, then you're not using it for 6 months, and boom, you forgot half of what you knew, right? So don't be in that situation. It's a bad situation. Use it right away. Build some project. That's why I have homework. Build some projects, and also I have a solution for you. I've thought about this problem and I have a solution. It's called Node University. So go right now, register for Node University, sign up for courses, start taking those courses, engage with the community on Node University. You can chat with me, you can chat with other people on Node University. We're on webinars. I'm constantly publishing courses such as this series of videos. I also have a podcast, Node University podcast. Most of the content is free. I'm not making much money. I'm charging a little bit for some of the content just to pay for hosting and some video editing and for some other tools and services. So most of the content is free. So there's no excuses for you. Go there. Don't delay. Tomorrow never happens. Remember that. So go right now. I'll be waiting here. I'll be waiting on YouTube or wherever you watch this video, waiting for you to go and log in. Do it right now. Do it right this second, and you will be good. You will be good. You will be continue to learn, continue to use the skills. You would not use the skills. You would not lose this time that you invested watching these videos, reading the book. So do this right now, and I'll see you later. I'll see you on the internet. Have a great day. Bye-bye.